Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to use Find My on iPad or iPhone. So to use it, you have to first of all guys to make sure that your Find My is enabled on your iPhone or iPad. But usually guys this Find My is on by default, but if it is turned off by your mistake, so you can turn it on. Just tap on your name, and in your name you will find over here the Find My option. Just tap on it, just tap on this option, and here you can enable by tapping on this toggle. Once you enable, now to use it guys, you can use the Find My to locate your device, your friend, your any item with a tag, or you can also customize things in this Find My. So when you open this Find My, you can search for Find My. If you are not familiar with its icon, now first thing you can do it, you can start sharing your current location. So the location will be used of your iPad, so you can tap on start sharing option, and you can choose guys, you can choose your context from here, and you can choose your contact from your Gmail, all contacts, or all iCloud contacts. So you can choose any contact and share your current location. Devices, so you can add your device over here, and so this is my device over here. So you can manage your device over here, you can add your device, or you can add your tag, a tag, or you can share my location over here, and you can also add other items as well from here. So you can manage your devices over here, and in items guys, you can add your items, like you can add air tag items and other supported items which allow you to track the location. And yeah, so these are the things you can try out guys. So yep, hope you like it. Wait for more video. Till then, bye bye.